extras, let's going to correct our MOT from yesterday. We were working on Fluent in 5. We had 5 exercises and each of them, they were different. So it's a quick recap, that's for our MOT, Maths on Track. So we can actually go back and then practice and then recap what we've been learning previously, okay? So let's going to go for number 1, 80 at 70. So I can do that mentally really easily. I hope that you all managed to do it. I know that 0 and 0 is 0, and then I know that 7 and 6, 2 8s is 16, 2 7s is 14. I have one more or one less. 2 7s 14, plus 1, 15. Or 2 8s is 16, take away 1, 15. Okay? So your answer should be 150. Let's going to go for my number 2. 60 times 40. You should do it mentally as well. However, it's today when we are practicing again multiplications, working them out mentally. So if you didn't know how to do it and then you did it on a long multiplication, okay, fair enough, no problem. The thing that is important is that you get the same answer, okay? So I'm going to do it mentally. I know that 0 times whatever is always going to be a 0. And then I will go to my tens. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 6 is 24. So your answer should be 2,400. Let's going to go to my my third exercise, number 3, and then I have a division there. I have a long division, but I can break it down. I can do 5 divided by 8. Can I do 5 divided by 8? I cannot, because 5 is smaller, so it will be a decimal number, and I don't want that. I'm going to get both of them. So if I cannot divide 5, I can divide 52. 52 divided by 8. 52 is not on my 8 timetable. So what number is on my 8 timetable that is closer to 52 and it does not go over it? What is my previous number? 48. So if I get 6 times 8 is 48. It's going to go to 52. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. And you have 4 remainder. So now this time you have the 8 there. 48 divided by 2. Straight away, we just said 6 times 8 is 48. So your answer should be 66. I'm going to go to my next one. This one's a little bit trickier. We've been doing them previously in the class and then we've been doing them with 1/5 or 1/6 or 1/3. Now we have 3/5. So the first thing that I can do, I'm going to get my whole, which is 30, and I'm going to divide it into 5 equal parts. And I know that 30 divided by 5 is 6. Well done. Now, that is one slice of it. Have I got only 1/5? No, I have 3. So if I know my 6 timetable or my 3 timetable, I will be able to manage to get the answer. 6 times 3 is 18. Okay? Let's going to go to my last one. Again, you could do it mentally. If you cannot, no worries. You can do it again. And you can do it in a long column method. Okay, let's going to try to do it jotting or mentally. 7 at 3 is, 10. I'm going to get the answer here. 10, so I'm carrying 1. 6 and 4 is 10. And 1, 11, I'm carrying 1 to my next. 5 at 5 is 10. And 1, 11, I'm carrying 1. 5 at 4 is 9. At 1 is 10. So your answer should be 10,110. 10110. Okay. So that's it. That is your MOT. If any one of you had it wrong, I hope that you are correcting it. If there is anything that you're like, wow, I didn't get any of that, so just drop me a message and then I can try to explain it to you, okay? We will be doing more during the week, don't worry. And during our MOTs, so no worries. Okay, let's going to go for today's MOT. We are doing, today is the 12th of the 1st of the 21st, and we are doing again our MOT, our Maths on Track. Right, let me get our work ready. We are going to be looking at factors today. What was a factor? To get our prime numbers, we were looking the other day at the factors. The factors of each number, and if it had more than 2, it was not a prime number. So what was a factor? Have a good think about it. What is a factor? Okay, so a factor is a number that divides by other number or in another number exactly. Okay, so let's going to be looking today at factors. We are going to be looking at common factors, okay? So factors that are the same between 2 numbers. Let me explain it to you. If I have number 4, that's my number, and then I'm going to get my factors here, okay? If I have my number 4, I've got 1. I can divide 4 by 1 exactly, and I will get a correct whole answer. I can divide 4 by 4, and I will get a whole answer, 1. I can divide 4 by 2, and I will get a correct answer, 2. Can I divide 4 by 3? No, I cannot. So these are my factors. For 4 is 1, 4, and 2. Let's going to have a go at factor for number 9. I can divide 9 by 1, and I will get a whole answer, 9. I can divide 9 by 2. No, I cannot. Can I divide 9 by 3? Yeah, 3 times 3 is 9. Can I divide 9 by 4? No. I will not get a whole answer. 9 by 5? No. 9 by 6, 7, 8, 9. So my next one is 9. So the factors for 9 is 1, 3, and 9. Let's going to look now at number 6. Let's do it together. I can divide 6 by 1, and I will get 6. I can divide 6 by 2, and I will get 3. I can divide 6 by 3, and I will get 2. I can divide 6 by 4. No. 6 by 5? No. My last one, 6 by 6. So today, your work is to look at common factors. If you just focus this minute just only at these ones, what is my common factor in there? Now, 1 is always going to be there, isn't it? So that's a boring one. Is there any other number that is the same, that is common, that it has both of my numbers has the same factor? It is 3. So I know that the common factor of number 9 and 6, the common factor is 3. Okay? How is that? You see? Let's going to go for the next example. Let's going to do now, let's going to get, shall we do it together? Let's going to get number 8. We are going to get number 4. We are going to be looking at common factors. 8, I can divide 8 by 1. I can divide 8 by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 8 divided by 3, no. 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 8 divided by 5, no. By 6, no. 7, no. 8. It's going to go for 4. Can divide 4 by 1. Can divide 4 by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 3, no. 4. Okay. It's going to now find the common factors for 8 and 4. Remember again, I have 1, but all of them are going to have 1, aren't they? I have 2 and I have 4. I have 2 on both factors, 2 and then factor 4 for both of these numbers. So then I know that the common factors of 4 and 8 are 2 and, well, actually it's a fun, 2 and 4. Okay? Are you ready to do yours? Can you do for me? This one is going to be a little bit tricky. Can you try to do for me the factors of 20 and 24 and common factors for them? And can you try to do, this one is going to be tricky, guys, 15 and 18. Okay, go for it. Once you're ready, play it again. So you have to find factors. Again, remember that a factor is a number that can be divided exactly by another number. From 20, I can divide 20 by 1. I can divide 20 by 2. I will get 10. Can I divide 20 by 3? No. 4? Yeah, 4 times 5. So 5 times 4. 6. No. 7. No. 8. No. 9. No. 10. Yeah, 10 times 2. 11. No. 12. No. 13. No. 14. No. Up to 20. No. So these are my common factor. These are my factors from number 20. It's going to go for 24. 1. Can I divide 24 by 2? Yeah, 12. Can I divide 24 by 3? Yeah, 8. Can I divide 24 by 4? Yeah, 6. Can I divide 24 by 5? No, but yes, by 6. 6 times 4 is 24. By 7? No. 8? Yeah, 8 times 3? 9? No. 10? No. 11? No. 12? Yeah, 12 times 2, and that's it. We're just going to find our common factors that you should have. Really easy. We have number 2 the same. We have number 4 the same. And that's it. Okay? So the common factors from 20 and 24 is 2 and 4. Let's going to go for my next one. 15. I can divide 15 by 1. I can divide 15 by 2. No. By 3. 3 times 5. 4. No. 5. 3 times 5. We just say it. No 6. No 7. No 8. Not 9. No 10. No. That's it. And 15. We didn't put there 20 and 24. It's going to go for 18. Can I divide 18 by 1? Yeah. By 2? Yeah. 2 times 9. Actually, I could put there the 9. By 3? Yeah. 3 times 6. By 7? No. By 8? No. By 9? Yeah. By 10? No. 12? No. And that's no, no, no. And 18. It's going to find my common factors. 1, yeah, but 3 And is that it? It is, isn't it? So that's it. The common factor will be 3. Your job today. Ready? Can you find the common factors of 8 and 10, 12 and 18, 15 and 30, 32 and 42, 30 and 100. Okay, have a go at it. A little bit tricky these last ones. Just challenge yourself and go for it. If you need any help, just let me know. Adios.